In this video, ICARUS give me 5 tips to prepare you for your first DJ gig. Let's dive in. New on the scene, ICARUS have been banging it out for the last couple of years. They've had some big releases. They've had massive hottest records of the years on ANAC show, and the Bristolian boys are really flying. Big UK tours, big worldwide tours. So I asked them to give me some tips on preparing for their DJ gigs. As ever, if you enjoy this content, please drop a comment below. What are your tips for preparing for DJ gigs? Drop me some in the comments below. I'd love to know. Subscribe to the channel and join in the conversation. Let's dive into this question of the day. And watch out, they've got their own question of the day for you guys.
I think the most important thing is probably to just practice mixing at home as much as you can. Knowing your records or knowing the tunes that you've got in your USBs is really important, because when you're DJing you want tunes to just kind of come into your head that you know are going to work, or you think you know they're going to work, or having like some mixes together that you know that you can just kind of go to when the mood is right for those mixes, and that only comes from spending a lot of time just DJing and mixing at home. We used to plan entire sets, didn't we? And
yeah.
I don't think that's the way to go, really.
Yeah, a few years back we kind of felt that that was probably the best way to go, to plan an entire set, but that kind of restricts you and means you can't be reactive to a crowd, and the more we've kind of DJ'd out, the more important we've kind of felt that feeding off a crowd's energy is to playing the best set possible. So yeah, just kind of getting comfortable with your mixing enough so you can kind of engage with the crowd and sense the vibe in the room is probably the most important thing.
Yeah.
Thanks for ICARUS. What's your question of the day?
So our question for you guys is,
when you go and see a live act or a DJ, what is it that you're looking for in their set or their performance that will make it a special experience for you?
Thanks again for joining us on The Big Question. I've been Grahame. I hope you've enjoyed it. We'll see you soon.